Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the new features of ChatGPT-4, the latest version of the large language model developed by OpenAI. If you're excited to start exploring ChatGPT-4 with us, we invite you to subscribe to our channel before we dive in. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos and won't miss out on any valuable information. Just hit the subscribe button below and you're all set. Let's get started. As you may already know, ChatGPT-4 is a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence model that is capable of generating human-like text responses to a wide range of inputs. So, what's new in ChatGPT-4? Well, one of the most exciting new features is its improved ability to understand and generate natural language. ChatGPT-4 has been trained on an even larger dataset than its predecessor, which means it has a much better understanding of the nuances of language. This means that it can now generate more accurate and natural-sounding responses to a wider range of prompts. One of the most significant new features of ChatGPT-4 is its ability to understand images as input. It can use visual data to provide complex reasoning and analyze images to offer insights based on what it observes. Another new feature of ChatGPT-4 is its enhanced ability to generate long-form content. This is particularly useful for tasks such as article writing or summarization, where the model needs to generate coherent and informative text that is longer than a single sentence or paragraph. With ChatGPT-4, you can expect to see improvements in the quality and coherence of longer text outputs. In addition to these improvements, ChatGPT-4 also has a number of new applications and use cases. For example, it can be used for more advanced language tasks such as language translation, question answering, and even creative writing. It can also be used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance, to improve decision-making and automate tasks. So why is ChatGPT-4 perfect than ChatGPT-3? Well, it comes with advanced energetic features that make it faster, smarter, and more energy efficient. Its ability to understand images as input, coupled with its multi-head attention and memory mechanisms, enables it to process data more efficiently and accurately, providing faster responses. Its pre-trained model, combined with its self-learning capabilities, make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. Overall, ChatGPT-4 represents a major step forward in the development of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Its enhanced ability to understand and generate natural language, as well as its improved long-form content generation capabilities, make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. So why not give it a try and experience the power of ChatGPT-4 for yourself?
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.